Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve this Leetcode problem number 1200. Leetcode problem 1200, where we have to find the minimum absolute difference. And this problem looks easy, but it's test one of the most important interview instinct, when to sort and when it works, right? So let's break it down in very simple steps, and we'll try to understand the intuition as well. Very first, that we have given here array, and it's an array of distinct integer, and our task is to find the minimum absolute difference between two elements, and we have to return the pair that have the minimum difference, and each pair must be in ascending order, and final list should be sorted. Okay, so that we will understand. Okay, as you can see here, we are returning all the pairs that have the minimum difference, right? And each pair must be in the ascending order, 1 2 2 3 3 4, like that. We have to do that. So think of this: you want to find number that are closest to each other. Okay, right? Means we want to find the numbers that are closest to each other, right? And if the numbers are far apart, right, means their difference is large, right? So let's suppose 1 and 2. What is the, is this closest or not? Yeah, it's closest. What is the difference? Is 1. If there is more difference, right, means the difference value will be large and the number will be far apart. So if the number are close, their difference is small, correct? So our real goal is to find in a very simple term, right? So we will find the closest number in the array, and let's suppose for 4. So we'll find what is the closest numbers. Obviously it is 3, that is why it is going to 3 4. Okay, I hope you understand. So let's try to find through this one as a simple example. So which number are the closest? So here 1 2 difference is 1, 2 3 difference is 1, 3 4 difference is 1, and that is why the minimum difference become is 1. So all of these three pairs is equally qualify for the minimum difference 1, and so this will become in a output. Okay, so the most thing that we should understand is why the most important thing is that for this problem is why this code is working. Yeah, why this code works. Yeah, why this sorting works, right? So we should understand here the most important thing is the minimum absolute difference can only occur between the adjacent elements in a sorted array, right? So the given array should be sorted first, correct? Why it should be sorted, guys? Because sorting places close numbers next to each other, and before it was, let's suppose 4 2 1 and 3, right? After sorting it become 1 2 3 4, correct? So once the array is sorted, we never need to compare non-adjacent elements. Okay guys, and rest of the thing we know, we have to create the pair. So the final strategy look like what? Very first we will go through the given array and we'll sort the array. Means very first step is to do what? Sort the array. Then we will find the minimum difference between the adjacent elements and scan again and collect all the pairs that having the difference. And in very simple term, we'll say okay, simple, it is efficient, and the interview approved code this is. And so we'll try to write the code. Let's see how we'll write the code. As you can see here, very first that we have given this array, right? Very first we will do the sorting. We know that we have to find the mean difference, so we will take the positive infinity value, and then we will take the result. So result, you know, the list of pairs we have list of integers we have to take. So list of all the pairs will come as a list, and if we'll take all the pairs together, it will be a list of list. Okay, and then we'll say the find minimum difference. We will go through the loop from 1 to array length. We'll find the minimum difference like this. We'll take math.mean, that the mean difference and the current difference you can find by the current value with the previous value will do minus. You will get the current difference, and you will iterate over the array and you will find the mean difference. In the second pass, you have to collect all the pairs with the mean difference. So you will collect again the same thing. You will check if array -1 and array I -1 is equal to mean difference. You will keep adding all the value in the result, right, from the current difference. Okay, and you will add onto the result and you will return it. So this is what we are going to do guys. Means the very first thing is that you will add all those pairs in the result, and the result list will return the value like we have seen this list, correct? So each value you are adding here in the scan, right? We are adding, and then you will add it on the result, and finally we return the result. So this is what we have guys in this video. In case if you are struggling with anything, please let me know in the comment section. I will request you to write the time complexity, space complexity of this program. If you are not aware, please tell what will be the time complexity, space complexity in the comment box, and I will give the answer there. Okay, but I am thinking if you can write the time and space complexity, that will be very good for us and to you also. And in case if you are struggling with the structured way of learning, you can join our online classes, and so you can ping me in the WhatsApp, or you can connect with me through the phone. That's all I have in this video guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next one.